welcome to TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download climatic data from the year 1981 to the year 2021. So let us see how to do that. Open your browser, type in Data Access Viewer and hit the button search. And you can see here Data Access Viewer NASA Power. So this is the link. Go inside this link. So this is how the web page looks like. Let me close this pop-up. And you can just see here there's another pop-up over here, and here choose a user community. So I'm going to select renewable energy and choose a temporal average. So I'm going to pick up monthly and annual. So here you can change it accordingly. If you want, you can just select daily data. So here I'm going to select monthly and annual, and the next option is we need to choose the location. So you can select this button, and after that you can choose any of these regions from the map. So here I'm going to select the region. So I'm going to pick up this location. After picking this location, you can see the lat long has been taken out, and the next thing is that we are going to select the time extent. So here I'm going to select from the year 1981 to 2021, and the next option is select the output file format. So you can see these are the file formats that are available. So we are going to select CSV file format, and next is the parameters. So what and all parameters we are interested in, we can select it. So let me select the temperature parameter and just come down. You can see a lot of options are available. So from here I'm going to select the temperature. So let me select temperature at 2 meter, and let me select the temperature at 2 meter maximum and 2 meter minimum. So after doing this, we just move on to the humidity and precipitation part. Here I can select the humidity, that is relative humidity, and then precipitation average is come down, and we can also choose the wind speed at 10 meters, and wind direction is also available. You can use it, wind direction at 10 meter. So after selecting these parameters, you finally have to select the option submit. And if you want to know about this parameters definitions, you can click on over here. So you can get the information about these parameters. So the parameter dictionary, here you can select any of those parameters and you will be getting the information about this parameter. For example, you can just look at the earth skin temperature, what it is, and what units is being given. Likewise, you can find the information for each of the parameter for temperature, pressure, relative humidity. So you can search and you can find the information about each of this parameter in this section, that you can get it from here. So finally hit the button submit. So the data will be processing, and it will be downloaded in a CSV file format because we have selected the CSV file format earlier. And you can see here output files, click on the CSV. So it has been automatically downloaded. Let me open this file. So here you can see we have downloaded the CSV file format, and you don't have to do anything. The data has been segregated, and you can see on the top T2M. So it is nothing but temperature at 2 meters, RS2M, that is relative humidity, So the first is we will be getting the temperature data. You can see here T2M. You can just refer it, and if you just go down, you can see here from the year 1981 up to 2000 year, up to 2021, the data has been given. So it is being followed up by RH2M, that is nothing but the relative humidity in percentage, that you can see here RH2M. So you'll be also getting the wind direction. You'll be getting wind direction. So this is for wind direction. You can see a WD10M, and likewise you can get the temperature maximum. You can get the temperature maximum, temperature minimum. Finally, you'll be getting the precipitation data. So likewise you can download and use this data. You can also make a lot of charts out of this data. So let me try out. Insert. So let me see the recommended charts. So likewise you can prepare a lot of charts. I just shown you as an example, but you can prepare a lot of charts from this data. So this is the temperature data. So likewise you can just compare, and you know that a lot of charts can be prepared using this data sets. So like this. So if you have any doubts on this, you can just ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching Terra Special. Goodbye everyone.